yeah, gang, so it's gonna be a first time for this one. We're doing hydro dipping. I'm gonna hydro dip my body right here. My first time doing this, so hey, if it goes wrong, it goes wrong. If it goes right, more power to me. So yeah, but this is the hydro dip I chose. There will be a link in the description of where you can purchase this hydro dip from. Like I said, this is my first time doing this. We're gonna see how it go, and hopefully, I do it right because these hydro dip things cost about $25. Well, depending upon what kind you buy, they're $25 to $30, depending upon what kind you buy. So if we get it wrong, with my lovely assistant over there, I'm not gonna show her that she's starting. If we get this wrong, then hey, it is what it is. See you in a second. All right, gang, so I got my water almost at the right temperature. They say do between 85 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm almost there. We are at 91 degrees. I had a goal of 88, but my water was at like 125 degrees, so you probably wouldn't believe how long it took this water to get down to the right temperature. So that's one thing that I want to probably say to you. If you try doing this, make sure your water is not scalding hot, more so like warm water, and it won't take as long for your water to get to the right temperature. All right, we'll be back in a second.
He about to put the car body in the water.
Okay, we'll see how this goes.
Who that's doing it? Yay! It really did it.
Didn't get the top how I wanted to get it. It's my top a little bit, but other than that, that's not bad for a first try. Not bad for a first try, people. What's going on, gang? We're back with day 2 of painting my RC shell. My first time doing it, it turned out okay. I'm not all the way 100% happy with it, but you know, first time for everything. So yeah, gang, the hydro dipping was a success. It went like I thought it was gonna go. Could have been a little better. I had a few spots that y'all will see in the next video that didn't take like I would have liked them to, but for the most part, it was an amazing job for my first time doing it. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Please comment. Please comment. I read all the comments. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Don't just like and don't just comment. Make sure y'all subscribe so I can keep bringing y'all this great content. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So just stay tuned for that. And like I say, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Please. We're going up all the rest of this year in 2021. Bye, you all. We out. 1.